I lost over 100 pounds on the WW program, and I like to share some tips on how to make it successful for you and how it has been successful for me. So if you'd like to see the tips I use to be successful on the WW points plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I've been on the WW program for a couple of years. I've lost 128 pounds, but recently I have gained some back and I kind of lost my momentum to keep moving forward. So what I have done is look back at my past and see the kinds of things that help me be successful in the WW program, and I'm going to recapture that back so I can get rid of this weight that I've been trying to lose. And I thought today that I would share some of these tips with you. So come on along and I'll share some helpful tips for staying on the WW program, and hopefully you'll find success on your weight loss journey. My first tip is to start small. Take on each part of your WW journey and in small steps, in small habits. They'll make big changes and you'll find it's much easier to undertake, especially if you have a lot of weight to lose. If you just do a couple things right, start drinking 8 ounces of water a day instead of a gallon. Take 3,000 steps instead of going for the 10,000 steps. Get a little bit of fitness in. Do what you can to track your meals. Sometimes if you take a minute to track the actual foods you usually eat, and then you can see how you can cut them down and make choices that are healthier for you, it will help you stay on the program. Another tip is don't be afraid to give in to your cravings. If you have a taste for chocolate and you don't go give into it, you'll find that you're always craving that chocolate. So just don't be afraid to give in to those cravings and have what you want, and just have them in a smaller portion. It is easy to fit any kind of food in the WW program, and just don't be afraid that it's going to put you off track. Eat what you want, get rid of the craving, and then you'll find that it will help you and stay on track in the future. My third tip is to learn portion control through weighing and measuring your food. You will find that you can have the food you want. Just make sure you weigh it, measure it, track it, and this will help you learn the actual portion sizes that are recommended or measured. So if you're taking a half a cup of something and you're just eyeballing it, if you actually measure it out, you'll see what the actual portion is. And once you're on the program for a while, then you won't have to be so perfect, but it's always the best thing is to weigh and measure everything you eat. Another tip is to take advantage of every opportunity to get some exercise or fitness in. Whether you're walking, parking in a mall to go shopping, park at the farthest place. Instead of sitting down constantly, get up on a regular basis to get some steps in. Even if it's just walking around your house or your apartment, take every opportunity you can to get some fitness in. There's a lot of chair exercises you can do if you're not up to walking. Chair yoga, things like that will help you get some fitness in at every opportunity. Instead of just sitting around watching television, sit in a chair, lift some weights, do some exercises that will help you while you're sitting. A very important tip that I found helpful is to start your mornings off right. Get your water in, maybe take your walk in. Just starting it off right will keep you going all day, and you'll have that feeling that you don't want to screw up because you did so good in the morning. Being a healthy breakfast in the morning will make you feel full and stop you from making bad choices later on. A good morning start will motivate you to keep going all day, and then you just add on from there. Another helpful tip is to track your progress with pictures. You may not be able to tell from the scale, but a lot of times if you do a side-by-side picture, you will be able to see that progress. You could do measurements. That's another way of seeing progress on your weight loss program. It's not always about the scale, even though that's what we want to see. Motivation comes in different ways, and pictures are very, very helpful. So get those before, and then you'll have after pictures. Eat foods that keep you fuller. Foods like protein, fruit or vegetables that have fiber in it. These kind of foods will keep you full, and you won't want to reach for that food that's bad. So eat those foods that are better for you, so you can you find that they'll help you. They'll keep you fuller, and you'll avoid the sweet treats and the snack items if you keep your diet filled with proteins and fibers. Another tip is to think about your weight loss journey as a lifestyle, not as just a diet or something you're just going to do temporarily. Because if you think like that, once you get off of it, you'll find that you gain your weight back. So think of it as a lifestyle journey, and you will be able to undertake it easier and more success. Another tip is to find healthy substitutes for foods you like. There is just so many options available. If you're craving something sweet, you can find a substitute for that. If you're salty, you can find baked chips or crackers or something that is less calories. You can change recipes that you like and use foods that are more healthier, and it'll have the same kind of taste, and you won't have those same kind of higher point food. So it's a good way to get through your day, is just to find healthier ways of eating, substitutes for the foods you like. And that's one great thing about WW, is it will enable you to eat all those things and put them into your points and track them in a healthy manner. My last tip is, when you find yourself struggling on a WW program or any weight loss program, think back as to why you started to do it. Remember the first day when you started and how you felt, and try to recapture that motivation that helped you find success in the first place, and that will keep you going. So just keep in mind why you are doing this journey, whether it's for weight loss or for health, or to hang out with your family, to be more active, and that will help you keep on going. So I hope you enjoyed these tips when you have weight to lose on the WW program. Please comment below if you have a tip on how to stay on track and what you do that helps you lose weight. If you like this kind of video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.